Hello, hi, namaste. You are watching the Chulo Recipe, authentic and modern recipe. Hello, hi, namaste. आज पनि म आइसकेको छु अर्को एउटा रेसिपी लिएर हजुर. This is the penny pasta with pink sauce and we add some mushroom, chicken. Okay, let's get start this recipe. First you need to boil pasta. Is pasta ready for pasta? Water boil already. We're going to put pasta in the water and we'll cook around 7 to 8 minutes. Almost Italy pasta when we cooking, just cook al dente or not too much cook. So you have to cook like around 7 to 8 minutes. So pasta almost cook. We have to take the texture of pasta and then we have to remove, bath with cold water and keep aside. Put some oil. Is when you put oil it will be not sticky. Next step we have to make a sauce. Is garlic, onion, then fry it and put some sauce. So I make already bechamel sauce, so I didn't make all video. I have a link in the below bechamel sauce video. So I put bechamel, then I add what is called tomato paste. It's making the pink sauce, white sauce and tomatoes paste. It will be make pink sauce. So I'm going to make pink sauce. This side I'm making for pasta. Same garlic, onion we need to fry it, and then we add a sliced chicken strips. Chicken strip. So cook slowly chicken strip. When you almost cook, you have to add mushroom, then little saute mushroom also. Okay, now going to add mushroom. Okay, now going to add mushroom, and mushroom also saute little bit. So put the salt, pepper. Okay, then we're going to add in this stage. We're going to add pasta. Pasta already we have cooked. Okay, after adding pasta, seasoning again nicely, and then we put sauce. When we make before sauce, that sauce add it and cook some time. Add your cheese, which cheese you like mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, mushroom pasta they adding parmesan cheese. So you can add any cheese, no problem. In your home, which cheese you like you can add, and some flavor. Oregano most important in the Italy cuisine. Oregano, rosemary, like tarragon. Okay, so this is the Italian herbs. So pasta is ready. Almost look at that. It's cheesy, creamy pasta. So I'm going to put in the bowl. I don't have anything garnish. I just garnish with some mozzarella cheese, and I will serve it like this. Okay, cheesy creamy pasta. मैले त्यो मेरो महारानी साइपा मेरो जेठी छोरीको लागि बनाएको पास्ता साह्रै भोक लाग्यो भनेदेखि ल क्रिसा, this is pasta. How is it? Just taste and give me reply. Okay. You like cheese or no?
No, but
Emmy, you like it?
yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.